The topic which we are going to discuss is the land of dense forest. The country Zaire is at the equatorial region of Central Asia, which was named after the river Zaire. River Zaire is one of the longest rivers in Africa. Earlier, this river was named as River Congo before 1971. In 1998, it's renamed as Democratic Republic of Congo, which was given by name by the Cameroon explorer of Royal Geographical Society. Zaire lies in the equatorial region. That's why this area has extreme type of climate. Extreme means either very hot or very cold. The days are very hot and the nights are very cool, or we can say cold, because of the heavy rainfall. About the natural vegetation of the country. The natural vegetation of the country is consist of evergreen forest. Evergreen means the forest which are green throughout the year, which are also called selvas. The trees are heighted up to 50 meters in tall because they experience sunlight and rainfall throughout the year. That's why we find these types of trees which are 50 meters heighted. The sandalwood, bamboo, cane and long bushes are found there with shrubs and climbers. Now let us discuss about the animal life. Zaire is also named as the natural zoo of the world. We find hippopotamus, rhinoceros, buffaloes, elephants. Many reptiles are also found like snakes, pythons, and many birds are also found like peacocks, and many species of monkeys are also found like chimpanzees, gorillas, and the reptiles like crocodile are also found in Zaire. Now let us discuss about the life of the people of Zaire. Mainly the Zaire people live in villages, riverside houses of Zaire. You can see in the picture. They are made up of huts, bamboo and oil palm leaves. Population of Zaire is less than 5 persons per kilometer. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Fishing is also the main occupation of this region. Hunting is also important source of earning. The essential crops grown in land of dense forest are coffee, palm oil, rubber tree, sugarcane, maize, rice, plantain. Cassava is the staple food for the people of land of dense forest. Now let us discuss about the clothing of the people of dense forest. Due to very hot weather, they wear cotton clothes. They are the Bantu tribe speaking Bantu language. They are hefty and long-heighted people with dark color and curly hairs. One more tribe living in the northern part of the country, that is Kisangani, they are pygmies. They are curly haired people with broad nose and the height is about 1.5 meters. They love hunting and food gathering. Fruit and honey they gather and this is their occupation. They live in the forests of the country. Now discuss about the cities of the country. Kinshasa is the capital of the Zaire. Other cities are Lubumbashi, Ambuji, Kanangana, Matadi. Matadi is the famous port of the country. Minerals and industries. Zaire is rich in minerals and industries. Minerals such as copper, diamond, cobalt, manganese, zinc, uranium, copper and diamond industries are there. Textile industries are also there. Paper industries, cement industries and wood products industries. Chemicals industries are also in Zaire. Water resources of the country are consist of dams which are useful for agriculture, irrigation, generating hydroelectricity power, and we talk about the transport. Only water transport is available for the country. So here we end up with the chapter of Democratic Republic of Congo. We have discussed about the climate, natural vegetation, mineral, industries, cities, everything related to the country and about the tribes also. So now you have to do the question and answers. Thank you.